in touch with 3 words that sum up your weekend, because we're all celebrating because the sun is in the sky. I've had a text here that hasn't even bothered with the 3 words. They've went one stage further and went, work it out for yourself. They sent me a beautiful picture of what looks like, now by the way, just on top of the hay fever, I also need glasses now, by the way, I can't see things. I've actually fallen apart. I'm turning 45 next month. I can barely see anything there. I need to get myself a pair of glasses. I've got hay fever. It's wonderful being me now. I've been sent this, honestly, it looks like it's been painted. It's a picture, postcard picture. It's a castle. We need no for it because that's handy, that'll do just for this week only. There's a lock behind it, rolling green hills, castle, lock, sky, I don't know, gives a step for a hint, you'll need to get back in touch, but that's a beautiful picture that I've just described for you on the radio, so that worked really well, of someone's weekend. Keep them coming in. 80295 is the text. Sum up your weekend in just 3 words. 3 words, darlings, all I'm looking for, but make sure you put the 3 words in, that would help. We've got loads still to come on the station today. Drive time's going to be here at 4. We're going to get it on tonight. The theme is pop memorabilia. Do you have a classic vinyl t-shirt or poster you can't get rid of? What song goes along with? Get in touch. 80295 is the text. It's 35 minutes past 2 here in the afternoon. It's Monday, which means that the entertainment news is here on afternoons, and I'm with lovely Sam Lake to chat all about it. Hello, Sam.
Hello, Michelle. How are you?
Darling, you're not in studio today. Are you not feeling great?
I'm just staying home, being sensible. I've been a little unwell over the weekend. The doctor says I've got a nasty case of star quality and a chest infection. So.
Oh, well, I'm feeling very sorry myself. This studio is a sea of tissues because I have a hay fever, darling, for the first time ever. I am distraught about it. I've been getting good tips off the listeners, but about like basically stuffing mint leaves up my nose to try and help, which I'm willing to try anything at this stage, Sam. I'm caught my own eyes out.
Give it a go. We can't both be falling apart.
We are both
every Monday.
falling apart, darling. I don't know what's happened to us today, but I know you are here to cheer me up, no end. What has been happening? We need to kick off with the Olivier's. Was that last night?
It was last night, yes, the Oliviers, the award celebrating everything in UK theatre. I had a little watch of it on Catch Up this morning. What a lovely show it was. It was hosted last night by Billy Porter, you might know from Pose, and Beverly Knight, who I think is iconic. I absolutely love her. They opened the show with a lovely medley, and then we got to the awards themselves. The big winners were John Lithgow, who's been playing Roald Dahl, and Leslie Manville. She won Best Actress for Oedipus, and I just want to give a shout out to my favourite award winner of the night, which is Leighton Williams.
Oh, yes.
You'll have seen him on Strictly and Bad Education. He won his first Olivier Award last night for his role in Titanic, which I've seen in real life. It is fantastic.
So jealous that you've seen that. They've extended it to 2026. You know, I will be there by hook or by crook. I need to see that show.
You have to go. It's so good, and he is amazing in it. And he is now the first person to win an Olivier Award for playing an iceberg. Isn't that a title that you won? Isn't that lovely?
It doesn't get more fabulous than that. I've seen so many snippets of this show, and they did comic relief. There was a kind of thing on.
Yes.
I adore Celine Dion. Like, I credit Celine Dion with anything good that's ever happened to me, because when I was a teenager, I discovered the mighty vocals of Celine Dion and listened to her album night after night, trying to teach myself how to sing because I just loved her so much. And the whole premise of this show is just right up my alleyway, let me tell you.
You would absolutely love it. It was fantastic. There were performances throughout the show as well from some other musicals. You might have heard of their performances from the new musical Why Am I So Single. There were performances from Fiddler on the Roof, Oliver, Starlight Express. There was also a performance from past cast members of Les Miserables, because it's the 40th anniversary of Les Mis. Now, I might say something controversial here.
No, I'll probably agree with you. On you go.
Do you think I don't love the musicals where every single word is sung, like if they're having a normal conversation and they can't just like, oh, how was your day? I got up and I had a biscuit. I can't do those musicals. I just can't. The performance was lovely because it was just all of the songs from Les Mis, but that type of musical isn't my cup of tea, but the performance was lovely.
It's also too sad. I mean, the first half I love, the second act, my heart can't handle it. It's too much in Les Mis, and I suppose it's supposed to be because it's, a very tragic time in history, but It's too much, Sam.
It's
I've
Les
tried.
Miserables, not lay happy, I'm afraid.
There's Loomis in the title. I know. I did not get the memo. I understand that. But I think the thing about the Olivier's is, I mean, listen, all award ceremonies are packed full of really talented, creative people, but you take it to the next level, I think. You know, whether it's the Tonys or the Oliviers or something like that, because every single person in that room is just multi-talented. I think they just do everything.
Yes. Well, it's theatre, isn't it? They're triple threats, all of them.
Oh, triple threat. If only I could dream. I dream to be a triple threat, Sam. That's where I find myself. I want to move on because I know you're a big gamer, aren't you?
Yes, I am a huge gamer. At least I think that's what people are shouting at me on the street. And so I wanted to cover some hot...
More than I can say, 'cause you're always the first to say that I was wrong. We've been loving the 90s for far too long. Now I'm picking a fight on the parking wall. I'll be pushing up daisies with my dog. I'm starting to think I should have stayed at home, but I'm never as happy as when I'm on my own.